Understanding Cardholder Name, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common term you'll encounter in the financial world: cardholder name. Whether you're shopping online, booking a flight, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in. The cardholder name refers to the name of the person who owns a credit or debit card. This is the name printed on the front of the card. It's crucial for validating transactions and verifying the card user's identity. Understanding this term is key when you're dealing with financial matters, especially online. Knowing the cardholder name is essential for several reasons. 1. Security. It helps in preventing fraud and unauthorized use of the card. 2. Verification. It's used to verify the legitimacy of transactions. 3. Identification. It identifies the rightful owner of the card, especially in situations where proof of ownership is needed. When filling out forms or making online payments, it's important to enter the name exactly as it appears on the card. Include any middle names or initials if they are on the card. Be aware that some cards may have a business name or a joint holder's name. Incorrect spelling. Always double-check the spelling. Wrong name. Do not use nicknames or abbreviations unless they are on the card. Misplacement. The cardholder name should not be confused with the card number or expiry date. Understanding the term cardholder name is vital for anyone using a credit or debit card, particularly in English-speaking contexts. It ensures that your financial transactions are smooth and secure. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. See you in our next video.